Anybody here? Hello. Hello. Anybody there? Can you hear me? Hello.
This is the end of Ramadan. Still the islands are quiet. But the rainy season is ahead in June and July. Strong waves keep smashes the boat onto the water. It's warm here because of humidity is so high. I'm starving to see the next unknown land.
Hi, this is Raa attol. So today also I'm going to explore another strange island in this atoll. So but in this boat we are running out of fuel. So for that first we have to go to Maldives and get some fuel and get ready the boat to find the next destination. So now we are in Maldives jetty and waiting for the fuel. So once we get filled the fuel, so we're gonna start the journey to find that the strange island. Okay, the fuel is arrived. So this is a full tank, right? So he has to inflate it some air from his mouth. I mean, I never see such how filling up the petrol on this boat. So we had a small issue of filling up the petrol, the fuel, but now it works. So how many liters that you can?
30 liters.
30 liters. 30 liters.
30.
30. And how long you can run? Like how many kilometers?
30.
30?
1 hour.
1 hour.
50
so
to
30 liters.
52 liters.
1 hour journey.
1 hour 52 liters.
So this is the backup.
Backup, that is
Backup 30 liters
This
petrol. We have backup 30 liters.
total 16.
Yeah. That's great.
60.
I start the journey from Maduari to that strange unknown place. So I hope it will take like 35 minutes on this super speed boat. So now we are arrived. Love, affection, revenging, hate. So these basic human feelings were here in this island 18 years prior to Tsunami 2004. The island was devastated by the Boxing Day tsunami in 2004. And today I'm in Kondholhudhoo Island, well known as Tsunami Island. The island is completely abandoned, so nobody live in this here after the tsunami because the people were here being shifted to R.dhuvaafaru island. That is another island in Raa attol. So seems to be this is the hospital. So this is the first experience that I'm here, and I never step on here before. But I want to see inside. Let's go have a look. So this seems to be the entrance of the hospital, and might be the reception was here. So according to the structure that I can see, everything is destroyed by the tidal wave. That's strong waves came with the 2004 tsunami. So we have plenty of doodles and names written on these walls. Maybe the young crowd who visited here found their way to come here and see this place. Maybe these their memories, signatures. I already got many mosquito bites, so we have a lot of mosquitoes here. Seems to be this is a board that the patient is on board. The toilet bathroom, it was for the patient. So you can see how the waves, the tsunami waves came and impact here. And even this solid concrete being demolished and got crushed. So how strong these waves are. It's like lampshades, pieces of lampshades, steel lampshades stems. It's already decayed. And these tiny pieces picked up. Unbelievable. So I'm climbing up on these steps to the second story. So you can see the roots are there. The tree roots. Oh my god. Unbelievable. Lot of algae. Maybe due to rain. Oh my god. So the algae. Oh dear. Is it a pillow? Is it a pillow? Sometimes I feel scary because I can feel that how the people were screaming over here. Maybe the kids, women, screaming over here once these the tidal wave arrived to the island. It's so depressing. How to express my feelings right now because I feel so scary and I feel so sympathy about the people who are here. I'm sure they were running here and they are screaming, the kids, and they're asking help. So I don't know the people who were on board here at that time when the tsunami waves hit here. I'm sure there were lots of people who were here on the beds under the treatments, but where they have gone, I don't understand. So the hospital we can find close to the main jetty of the island, but so maybe that is the school of the island. So let's see there. From here? Let's see. We can have a look inside the school. So now I'm climbing up on this steps to the first floor of the school. Hi, how are you?
Good, thank you.
Can we visit here?
Yes,
Nice.
yes.
Thank you. So this is look like the students' washrooms, and everything crushed due to the it's like a home. See the pieces. Unbelievable. Everything is pieces. The toilet seat cover. So this is the first story, the first floor. But
Hi, this is Sudeep Fall Forward. After long silence, I feel to talk to you. 2004 tsunami was given a lot of lessons to the people about the nature. Since the time moment I step here, I heard, I feel, the people are screaming, their voices. I feel some of are talking to me. Last few years, I entered classrooms to teach students. But in this school, I heard kids are crying, trying to say me something.
So I have tremendous amount of respect to the people who are here. So you think if you lose your residence, I mean the house you live suddenly due to different reasons, if you about to leave your place, how do you feel? I mean the kids who are studying here, the people who are enjoying here their lives. So suddenly if somebody come and ask you to shift your family somewhere else, how do you feel? I mean that is really unbelievable. Even for me, I can't predict it myself how it will be. This was an amazing place to study. I mean, the students were here. I'm sure they were looking on this horizon and see this beautiful view. I'm sure they had a good time, but sadly they had to leave this place. It's an amazing place to study, but they lost that. This island is a strange island because when the tsunami hit here, Maldives, only this island was devastated due to the tidal wave. It is something really strange that the other islands been not that much affected, but this island been badly affected by letting all the people moving from here. It's look like the school well. Still I can see water. But this is not normal water that we can see in the other countries, because this is still the sea water but being still filtered properly with this sand and these layers. I'm sure it was drinkable before the tsunami. So this is look like a school canteen. The roof is on the floor. Looks like there we had a wash basin over there. This is gone. The glasses, window glasses. So we have a massive crack on this wall. So even it's made of concrete blocks. So in that place we had a cement block walls, but this is coral. Look like coral walls. Completely coral. It's really common in Maldives that when you make building structures that using corals. This also look like another coral walls. It is corals. Yes, that's coral. Oh, somebody. Oh my god. Bitten by some kind of insects, and it's really painful. It really hurts. So I get twice bitten by some insects and now caterpillars, and I have already been attacked by few creatures. Body is itching now. So what is this place? I got mosquito bites, I got caterpillars bites, and I got some flying insects who biting me so badly. Really irritating. Why? Yes. And I got a couple of my shoulders too. I don't know, do we have any snakes here? Maybe. I wish I find snake.